I believe as technology progresses, we will see a change in not only how we communicate with one another, but to whom we communicate with, and the order of which we communicate. And what I mean by this is that in the past, we were restricted to communicating with just one another. But now technology is progressing in such a way that we can communicate with technology itself. So, this is a very new idea, and all the models I have studied only address noise and feedback and various aspects of communication that do not address time and the order of which communication takes place, as if there could be another way or another order communication could take place. Technologies open the door where we can communicate out of order, where a question can come after a response, and a response can come before a question. So this idea, or the possibility of this idea, fascinated me, and so I began trying to do research on it, and I couldn't find anything about communicating with technology in the way I was thinking. So I developed my own theory, and I'm going to call this theory for the time being the automated response theory. And basically it goes like this. You have a person, and this person asks a question to an automated communicator, a machine, or a customer service hotline. And this automated communicator responds with a pre-recording that was recorded obviously before the person ever thought of asking the question. And this idea of communicating with an automated machine that is in the present, responding with recordings and responses from the past, is unprecedented. It has never been done before. And I can think of several examples, bad ones, of automated communication with customer service hotlines where they don't understand what you're saying and you end up pressing 0 furiously trying to get a hold of an operator, a real person. But recently, new technology was announced that this may change, and we may actually have more casual, more natural conversations with technology on a regular basis. And I had to look no further than this.
Siri is a whole new way of interacting with your iPhone, using just your voice.
Find me an Italian restaurant in North Beach.
Okay, these 25 Italian restaurants are in North Beach.
It's like this amazing assistant that listens to you, understands you, can answer your questions, and can even accomplish tasks for you.
Move my meeting with Kelly Alltech to 12.
Note that you already have a meeting about budgets at 12 p.m. Shall I schedule this anyway?
Move it to 2.
A lot of devices can recognize the words you say, but the ability to understand what you mean and act on it, that's the breakthrough with Siri.
The thing about communicating with technology is that if all the responses are recorded in the past, that means there's only a pre-selected range of questions you can ask it that it will actually be prepared to respond to. And if that's the case, wouldn't that mean this isn't true communication because it's only responding to a set number of questions that it's already been pre-planned that you may ask? Is that real communication? And I thought about this. Schramm's model actually addresses this in that you have to have a field of experience for communication to take place. So, if technology has the field of experience of these pre-selected questions that it can answer, and you have a range of pre-selected questions you might actually be interested in asking, technically this would fall under Schramm's model, except in a new way, that the communication is occurring, the response is occurring long before the person ever asks a question, and this is unprecedented. I believe that this will present itself as an opportunity for communication arts majors to develop new theories, and we will see these in our textbooks as this occurs more frequently in our daily lives.